Welcome back. In this episode, we're going to continue on our Ranch Manager series. This time, we're going to move off into our Owners and Contacts module. This is one of those modules that's critical for the entire system to operate properly and allow you to keep better track of your animals. Stay tuned, because it's coming up. All right, y'all, welcome back to White Mountains Livestock. Now, in this episode, like I said in the intro, we're going to continue on our Ranch Manager series. This software is freaking amazing. It's a new product we have out on the market that we recently acquired from Lion Edge Technologies. But in this episode, we're going to focus on the Owners and Contacts module. Now, this module is critical for the whole system to work. This keeps track of who owns what. Okay, whether you buy it, whether you lease it, whether you rent it, whether you own it, whether you sell it, doesn't matter. This module right here handles all of that. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So from the home page, actually, let's go back. So from the home page, you'll actually see right here, Owners and Contacts, little boot. So you're going to click on that. It's going to take you right into the Owners and Contacts module. Now this module actually has a lot of information. So for instance, right here, we can add in our address, phone number, fax, email, website, where our plastic tags are located at, metal tags, our federal premise ID, any local premise ID we might have, such as like a flock ID, something like that, tattoo location, UPC location. We can also come over here, which is actually really cool, and we can actually draw the brand of that particular contact. Now, it's kind of a pain, but it's there. Then you can set your brand location right here, and then your name, and then your tag color. Then come down here to this little icon down here in the bottom corner. It says save, and it saves. Now our brand is right in there. Freaking cool, right? So it's real simple, but this module actually ties into everything else in the software. You can add specific notes, etc. So the nice thing is, if you need to add a new owner, well, just click on that little new icon right there, same as kind of what you get in a lot of other software packages, and you type it in. So we'll go add a friend of ours in here. And we're not going to put all this stuff in it. I'm not going to mess with that stuff. Brand location, he's in the right rib. There it is. Yeah, because that worked out well, didn't it? Now you can actually do it this way too to make sure that you get everything nice and clean. So it actually works, pretty well. And there you go. So you have a new contact. Now you can add in new notes. This is actually this thing right here, this little icon that says managed. That's actually important. So if you actually manage that contact, so like right here would be us, okay? Well, we're going to click this managed button because we manage this. This is us. This is who we are. Now, as you see, all this comes in, right now it's hard to see. It really doesn't come in that great. Make a whole lot of sense as to why. So we'll go ahead and come over into our cattle herd and show you. So right here on this heifer, well, actually this cow. So right here under the breeder, you can add that in. So if, let's say, Horse Ranch LLC bred it, well, there you go. And who owns it? Well, we own it. Okay. So this actually helps a lot as far as some of your reporting goes, because you can see the very specifics about where the animal came from, where it went, all that information that, you know, kind of helps you keep your books and kind of keep your records in order. All that ties in later on too. If you come in, we're not going to go too much into the cattle herd because that's actually a module we're going to be going over at a later date, here in another week or two. So if you're going to, you know, if you're going to create a new animal, you can type all that in, select your breeder, and then your owner. So if we went into, it was a cow. I'm not going to save that. So if we go into this cow right here, okay, 360, and we're going to sell this cow, we can do that, right? Yeah, absolutely we can. So we're going to hit sell, put the sell date, the price, the weight, who the buyer was, which ties right back into those owners and contacts, the sale cost, how much it cost you to sell that animal, and then who paid that cost. So, and then you can record the income, and that goes into your income module, which, again, we will go over at a later date. So, for this, that is pretty much it. As far as that module goes. Now, there are more. This information is great to have if you need to call, you know, say you're doing contract breeding, and you need to be able to get a hold of somebody you've got a contract with. Now, the software right now does not manage those contracts. Version 4.0 is in development, and that one actually will handle your contract sales and stuff like that, invoicing, a little bit more expansive into your finance module, which that one will be going over next week. But anyway, guys, this is it. This was the second part of the Ranch Manager series. Again, if you guys are interested in this, you know, make sure you guys can download this program, try it out for yourself. You can download it at ranchmanageropen.com. The desktop software right here is free. There are some features that are paid, but there's not too many of them. So you guys can check that out, implement it in your herds, and it is also available on iOS. Android is also in development, will be going into development this year. So hopefully we'll get that out by the end of the year for you guys. So it's a lot easier to handle your business down at the chute. So right now, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, if you're new, don't be a stranger. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon. That way you're notified when we get another video up. Anyway, guys, check out some of our other videos. I will link here. I will also add to the end screen. Anyway, guys, thanks again. Remember, ranchmanageropen.com. You can download the software for free and play with it. It is cross-platform compatible. It will run on Windows and Mac. So there you go, and I will catch you guys next time.